I'm not performing this year because I'm just choreographing and directing the dances. But I think the Lata Mangeshkar tribute is interesting, and we're doing Shah Rukh with very interesting Qawwali.
पर्दा है पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है पर्दा नशी को पर्दा ना कर दो पर्दा.
Shah Rukh is the easiest person to work with because even when I work with him for Dil To Pagal Hai, he was so easy to work with. Even now he's coming even right now to rehearse with me. He's quietly rehearsing, he does his thing and he goes away. He is thorough a professional, he is very warm with the dancers, he's and very fast.
मेरे ख्वाबों की शहजादी मैं हूँ अकबर इलाहाबादी मैं शायर हूँ हसीनों का मैं आशिक महजबीनों का तेरा दामन.
Now it's a very different place, America and San Francisco, and now we have Shah Rukh performing. So it's very exciting, and also last year I performed, this time I'm directing and choreographing the dance part of it. So for me, every show is different and every show is exciting because every time I can do something new and different, and that's exciting for me. But Shah Rukh also picks up like this, he picks up songs like this. You know, I was like stunned. I mean, from Dil To Pagal Hai, he was picking up, and I thought, you know, maybe that's why I was fooling him yesterday and saying, Shah Rukh, my God, even your turns are better, your dance has become much better. What happened?
दिल तो है एक राही जाना दिल की तुम मंजिल हो दिल तो है एक कश्ती जाना जिसका तुम साहिल हो दिल न फिर कुछ मांगे जाना तुम अगर हासिल हो दिल तो है मेरा तन्हा जाना आओ तो महफिल हो.
शाहरुख खान, जिनके बारे में कहा जाता है कि ये एकदम परफेक्शनिस्ट है और ये तब तक रिहर्सल करते रहते हैं जब तक इनकी परफॉर्मेंस बेहतरीन और जबरदस्त ना बन जाए. शायद यही राज है इनकी कामयाबी का और इसीलिए शायद इनको बादशाह ऑफ बॉलीवुड कहते हैं.
क्या कहें?
इंडिया संगीत अवार्ड्स में शाहरुख खान की परफॉर्मेंस की थीम है कव्वाली. मैं हूं ना की हिट कव्वाली के अलावा शाहरुख खान परफॉर्म करेंगे कई और बॉलीवुड की हिट कव्वालियों पर.
I am Rani Mukherjee.
And of course, मैं भी हूं ना. अब सबके लिए मेरी तरफ से होगी ग्रैंड परफॉर्मेंस. हमारी ताल पर नाचेगी, झूमेगी, गाएगी दुनिया.
सैन फ्रांसिस्को शहर में इंडिया संगीत अवार्ड्स की धूम मचाने वाली प्रमोशनल कैंपेन की एक झलक खास हमारे सहारा वन के व्यूअर्स के लिए.
All of you out there in California, a grand performance by me. Everyone come there, enjoy yourself. Take home the hangover.
किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूँ ना देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूँ ना किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूँ ना देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूँ.
Shah Rukh, how does it feel being here in California?
Always wonderful to come to California. We were here last year and we had a very warm welcome. And I'm glad that we have the Sangeet Awards here. The Mehetas who are producing it with the Sangeet Award Academy. I think it's a great thing that the Indians can bring their awards all over the world. And as always, the people here in California are wonderful.
They've all been telling me they've been waiting to see the Badshah of Bollywood perform at the second Sangeet Awards.
Yeah, I hope I can do some. But it's just because I love everyone here so much and they've been so kind to me for so many years. And whatever I can do, I've just flown in and I have to flow out. I'll just sort of try and perform to the best of my capability and I hope they enjoy it.
We have the best of Bollywood here tonight.
Yes, we have Salman here, we have Rani here. We have some of the most talented singers It's an important award because it honors the playback singers of the country, one of the greatest talents in our country. So I think it's an important aspect, and whatever little we can do to come here and sort of support them.
And thank you so much, Charu.
सबसे बड़ा और बेहतरीन म्यूजिकल एक्स्ट्रावेगेंजा इंडिया संगीत अवार्ड।
पर्दा नशी है, पर्दा नशी को बेपर्दा ना कर दूं तो अकबर में